Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Kia Sorento. Stock number is 18C538A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, you do have the all-wheel drive badging, so this is an all-wheel drive. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Kia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.